Hello humans. Today we'll be making a simple gun script. This script will go over aiming, shooting, and fire rate. First, to make this you'll need a first-person controller. I'm using the one I created in my previous video. You can download it by using the link in the comments. Now, under the main camera and not the camera holder, create an empty object and name it gun holder. After doing that, create a box. Name it gun, resize it and position it so it is seeable in your camera and off to the side. You can add another box like I am adding here to make it look more like a simple gun. But that's just for aesthetic purposes. Now create two empty objects under the gun holder and name one aim and the other empty object idle location. These will be used for the aiming aspect later. Now under gun, create an empty game object and name it fire point. This is where the bullets will be shot from. Create a box anywhere in the game and name it bullet. Make it any reasonable size you wish or any shape you want. After that, create a folder called prefabs and drag it into there. You can delete it from the game now. Now create a folder called scripts and create a script called gun script. We want to delete this section right here, but keep the void update. Then create and define all the variables we are going to use in this script. Let's create another void and name it set gun transform, which will be used to control the location of the gun. Init add transform position equals target transform position, which will make it so that when the aim button is pressed the transform will be changed. Before I continue, please subscribe if this helps you or you use the project, it would mean a lot. Now in the update add the following if statements. These will control which location or transformation is going to be selected when the button is up or down, meaning pressed or not pressed. Then let's create another void and name it shoot, in which we will add a simple raycast being shot. Now if the raycast hits an object, let's make it create the bullet, then calculate the distance. After that, let's make it shoot there with that force, but add a cooldown at the end so it doesn't shoot a rainbow of bullets. And voila, this is all of the gun script, so let's go back and add it to our gun. What you want to do now is move the aim position into the center of the screen when you aim by making it a child of the camera. We do this so we align the gun perfectly with our vision. Then move it so you don't move it out of line but down and forward like I'm showing here. This will make sure the aim is straight with the camera. Then make the game object the same position as the gun so it always stays there. Move the fire point onto the tip of the muzzle or where you expect the bullets to come out from. Then fill these empty spots on the gun script with the ones we have in the game. Whoops, we forgot to give the bullet a rigid body, so let's go do that now. Simply click on the prefab, add component and add rigid body. You can change what I'm changing here for more of a straight shot and not a curve. Now if you try to play this it'll work fine but targets won't be shot and bullets will not destroy upon impact. To solve this create another script called bullet. Under this script simply delete the voids and add a void on collision so the bullets delete on impact with an object. Attach this to the bullet prefab we made. After doing so create another script and name it target. In this script create another void collision but this time it only deletes if the target collides with his bullet. Now create some targets. And give it the tag target by creating and assigning it like so. Add the target script by clicking on Add Component then searching Target. Then click on the bullet prefab and add a tag called bullet and assign it to the bullet. Now you should be good to go. Basically what we did is create a raycast and have an object follow it which our bullet, and if the bullets collide with our target the target deletes. As simple as that. However we're having issues jumping. To solve this do add a ground layer and assign it to the ground and in the player controller. There we go, now it all works thankfully.